everybody! I am unboxing the Micme. This is my birthday and Christmas gift. My husband gave it to me. Vizio. So this is, what model is this?
That's Daddy.
25,
Hi.
or
Hi,
2024?
Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Okay,
Hi,
so let's open it.
Daddy.
Unboxing.
I'm watching you. Oh, because we're
So
famous.
this is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like the
Oh
side
my
view.
God! On a big giant ball. This is on 25 years.
So this way, like that, yeah.
Yeah, like that. It's so heavy. Okay.
He's going to open the other side. He's like a him. Hey, you forgot my shirt on my
So
body.
these are
This is
the stuff inside. So what's this? This is a mic.
I know.
It's like,
I know that.
so this is
This is a microphone.
a microphone.
I said a microphone.
Oh, look.
Ah, yes.
So this is the
You
microphone.
got coins right
Is
here.
it a wireless one? There's the
The
power.
other, you got coins.
Okay,
Yes.
so this is the
Is
first.
this chocolate
The
coins?
next is the charger.
Mommy, this is chocolate coins.
Oh, yeah, this is the charger of the microphone.
There's
Oh, I
all
got
the
two.
coins.
So
One, two,
this is the charger.
3. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5
Okay.
and 6.
So it's a USB
and
charger.
7. So we got 7.
Oh, so it has two. So this is the other one.
Now we got 6. 6. We got 6. So we got 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we got 8.
Oh, so I got two
Look,
microphones.
we got 6 at the same
Like
time.
a cylinder. This is it.
Look at that thing.
Yeah, and then you put it here,
Why are you not talking with me?
here. So it's gonna be look like that. I'm talking to you. My son is with me, so.
Hey, I'm not.
Okay, next.
I'm not your. I'm not your son. I'm Theon.
Yeah, Vizio is my son.
And that's Daddy.
Your daddy is there
Let me see
watching.
that.
Okay, so it has this booklet, instruction, and then warranty.
Taper.
Okay, so this is the, whatever are these stuff.
I got to make a
This is
Batman fantasy.
Speaker. What's this?
Macaroni cheese.
Open it. Oh yeah, this is the speaker.
There we go. Almost there. Last one. Right here. There you go.
Dust
It's
ball.
fine. It's fine. It's a bottom. It's a bottom. Make it. Take your time. Top the round. There it goes. There it goes. Oh.
So it looks like
Base.
the base of the base.
The base of the base skin. Okay, let's try this. No. Oh!
Okay.
And you have to like open this.
Then
And
next
then
is
try
this
to people and say primary row.
speaker. This is the speaker.
The boombox.
Boombox
base and the
speaker.
speaker.
The boombox and the speaker. He said. Okay, so this is
So how do you open this thing if it looks like 2 coins?
the size. What size is this?
This
Does
is
it say
side
how-
coin
how-
with the
how
dog.
long
Is the dog. This is looks so big right now.
So to TV HDMI.
That looks so cool. I like it. I like it. There's a coin for $25. Okay. There's 1 coin. There's a
So
coin.
this is
You have to put the money.
the long speaker.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Oh, okay, let's try.
So here is the...
Okay, you can play.
What's
You
this
took
one?
bodies and you play stuff.
soundbar mounting screw.
Okay, let's try.
The screw, so it has a screw. It has the...
Okay, let's try.
Huh? Our... Yeah, the HDMI.
I'm following you. You're going
This one's the HDMI. It's the HDMI. The power plug.
Go to the cord.
And then this one is... Oh, and the power cord. This one.
Okay, oh my god.
Oh, 2 power cord?
One for the base, one for the
Yeah, one for the base and one for the bomba. What's that?
I'm going to
Bombastic,
bomb your
fantastic.
face.
Okay, and then there's another one.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Plug in.
That's a crazy bomb right now. Yeah, let's
Okay,
try.
so are we going to set this up? You're gonna try it in the TV? So we
Hello
can see.
guys, how are you doing there?
Okay, so this is what's inside. So we're gonna try to connect it. Okay, that's all. That's all. The Vizio Micme 2.1. That's the model. Okay, so we will try it, guys.